Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a French curve. Now, a French curve is a variation off of your Kir, basically. It's a wine-based modified cocktail. So you're going to start with your wine glass and you're going to pour in your wine. Now, depending on where you work, they're always going to have different requirements for the amount of wine in your pour. But, you know, seeing as that we're just doing this for demonstration purposes, you want to just go with a full glass, kind of like so. I mean, this is a really big bowl, but it looks about right. Now, your liqueurs that you're going to be using are going to be a maraschino cherry liqueur and a licorice liqueur. So anisette, or you can get a little creative and maybe try something like a Galliano, anything that has that licorice flavor in it. And you want to do equal parts, but really you're just adding it for flavor, so don't do more than like a quarter ounce. So just a quick splash of both is going to give you the flavors that you're looking for. Now, you're going to want to mix it a little bit, swirl it, just to get all those flavors infused within the drink. And then you're going to garnish this cocktail with an orange slice over the top and a lemon. And those two flavors in there, the citrus, along with the flavors of the drink already, are going to make a really compounding effect on all those tastes. So there's your French curve, a drink you'll undoubtedly enjoy.